Alrighty, first before we go into the split screens, I think that's what they're called, just wanted to share the website for the Google images, the Google photos that are featured on Chromecast. A lot of people always ask about it, so since I have the web page handy dandy, thought I would just share it real quick, but it's right up here. It's clients3.google.com/cast/Chromecast/home/ that's it. All right. Anyway, so this is the Chromecast page. If you ever want to use it, a lot of people seem to like it and always ask about it. So really what I wanted to do was show the split screen layout in Google, on the Google Chromebook, and I think it probably also works on Google Chrome. All right. Anyway, so right now I'm just going to split two screens. I think I got another one here. So I'm just going to go up here. Alright, so right now these two pages are split. You can change it, so I can make this partial, and I can make it full. So there's a few things you can do, but the one that I really like is, which one do I like? I like the float. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up here first and minimize this, and then I am going to actually, I'm going to bring up the Chromecast page, and then I am going to bring up Google Keep. And then so with Google Keep, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do float. And so now I can actually float this wherever I want. So if I want to use the Chromecast page with the pictures, I can actually use Google Float here. And now I can move this wherever I want. If I want to take notes and whatnot, I can just do that. So I can go through here, I can do my notes, I can go to another label, I can close it, I can exit it. So I'll just exit right now. I'll close that, and then let me do one more page on float. So I'm going to do keep on here, and then I'm going to float it again. And so you can do the web page or the app, and you can float it. Not a big deal, kind of cool if you like to take notes. If you don't like it, you just close it, and then you can go back up here and you can change whatever you want to make it work. And so I don't have any other pages. Darn it, so let's do this. Let's do one more for kicks and grins. Let's do the Chromecast page one more time. There you go. And that's how you do it. Hope you like it. And again, tidbit on the webpage for the Google featured photos that usually show up on Chromecast. Thank you. Bye-bye. Have a good day.